Removing elements. Take an array and remove every second element out of the array. Always keep the first element and start removing with the next element. So we basically want to remove every element inside the array for which its index is an odd number, right? So here we have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on and so forth. This could be easily achieved by using the array.filter method. So we actually don't care about the element inside the array, so we can use the underscore as a placeholder, but we rather care about the index. And now we only want to keep the indexes which are even, right? So we need to check if index, the division by 2 has 0 reminder. And if it does, well, then we want to keep it. Let's see if that works. Look at that, pretty nice. I hope you enjoyed this short tutorial. If you did, give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!